This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 3305, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath penthouse, looking northwest over a terrace that spans nearly 50 feet. It'll be a great spot to throw a party, watch the sunset, or head inside and watch the storms rolling in from the west. Floor-to-ceiling windows here, roller shades, high ceilings, really generously sized living, dining, open plan kitchen area. Looking at wide plank flooring that extends throughout the apartment, programmable thermostats, there's track lighting above a breakfast bar island, white quartz counters, duotone cabinetry with lacquer look white uppers and espresso tone lowers. It's a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. You have a tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. Good storage in the island. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. It's a fabulous terrace. And I'd head out there if the wind chill wasn't zero. Looking toward the front entryway, behind the louvered doors, you have a laundry room with full-size washer and dryer shelving up above. Heading toward the primary suite, this room can accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, space for a home office desk, but plenty of options here for that. Looking at a ceiling fan and dome light. Again, if you're out over that terrace. There's a walk-in closet in the primary suite. Multiple levels of shelving and hanging space. And then the bath. It's a wide vanity with a vanity with mirror. Soaking tub that has a body spray attachment. Marble vein tile on the floor. Great separation of the bedrooms here. Heading toward coat closet. Guest bath has shelving. And also has a wide vanity with mirror and a body spray attachment in the tub. Turning into bedroom 2, another ceiling fan, and there's a shallow walk-in closet. Arkadia has a literally steps to everything West Loop location. Great suite of amenities, variety of apartments with upscale finishes. Definitely want to have Arkadia high on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.